we have a 1/4 inch drive impact driver. Now all models are going to be a little bit different, but for the biggest part, your battery pack is going to be at the bottom and they will be rechargeable. On this Porter cable, you'll simply turn it to the front, push down here, slide the tool off. That's going to give you your battery. Take your charger, slide it on until it clicks. Now, a solid green light means it's fully charged. A flashing green light means it's charging. And anything red means either the battery is dead or the battery has overheated. Now, if the battery feels really, really hot, do not try to charge it. Let it cool off a couple hours, then try charging it. But right now, we're in good shape, so you just slide the charger off. And what you want to do is take your tool, slide it here till it clicks on. Now this red button right here is going to be your power button. Simply by pulling it in, it's going to activate the motor. Now right here is going to be your forward reverse switch. We're in forward mode right now, but if we push it all the way in, that'll put us in reverse. Push it all the way from the back side, that pushes back into forward. Now the biggest difference between your impact driver and your drill driver is going to be the chuck. They're very small looking on your impact driver compared to your drill driver. And your impact driver is going to accept these 6-sided hex head bits, and they'll simply push in, and that's got it loaded. And to take it out, to remove it, you'll simply pull out like that on your chuck, and it comes right out. Now I have a demonstration set up for you. We have different types of screws, and I want to show you how the impact driver can handle them all. First up, we have a 3.5 inch deck screw. We're using a Phillips number 2. Next, we have a 3 inch Torx head screw. We're going to be using a T30. Next, we have a 3.5 inch Torx head screw. We're going to be using a T40. Next, we have a 5/16 lag screw. I'm going to be using a 5/16 nut driver. Last up is going to be this 4 inch Torx head screw. I'm going to be using a T50 on it. I want to thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Have a wonderful day.